We'll guide you through how to create labels in Gmail to keep your inbox organized. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Gmail on your desktop and look over to the left side of the screen where you see the list of folders like Inbox and Sent. Scroll down until you see the More option and click on it to reveal more options. Keep scrolling until you see Manage Labels and click on it. This will open the Labels settings page. Now, look for the Create New Label button and click on it. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the name for your new label. Type in the name you want. If you want your new label to be nested under an existing one, check the box next to Nest Label Under, and select the parent label from the drop-down menu. Hit Create when you're done. Your new label will now appear in the list on the left. To apply this label to an email, go back to your inbox, select the email you want to label by checking the box next to it, and then click on the label icon at the top, which looks like a tag. From the drop-down list, select the label you just created. Congratulations, you've successfully labeled your email. You can now easily find emails by clicking on the label name on the left side of the screen. Creating labels is a great way to categorize and manage your emails, especially if you receive a lot of them. It helps you find important emails quickly without scrolling through your entire inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.